are new, I am 𝕊𝕦𝕚𝕚 and I am the eclectic herbalist. It's been a while, as always. This time actually is for a few different things. If you saw my shorts, you saw that I got a puppy. On top of it, oh no, my subscription box, I just got it like yesterday, so it came really late. It's the 17th, I believe. I think like something was wrong with my postage because they didn't know what they were doing. Anyways, let us go ahead and get into both unboxings in this video. I'm not going to split it up. I will just be doing both the regular subscription box and the herb of the month because I have my child out in the living room and the puppy is sleeping in the kennel. So anyways, like always, we will go over the herbal actions. Actually, I don't even think I said what this month's theme was. So this month's theme for Apothecary at Home is Divine Digestion. Yes, November. Divine Digestion. Like always, we will go over the herbal actions you will want to look for in your herbs when referring to digestion of any sort. So the herbal actions you will want to look for when referring to digestion or anything gut-wise is bitters. Bitters are herbs that taste bitter, obviously. It's the bitterness that makes you gotta go, if you know what I mean. Gets the bubbly guts going. Bitters get the bubbly guts going. A demaculate, which I've mentioned a few times in past videos, but if you are new, a demaculate or demaculate herbs help to generate and retain moisture. And they also, they are sometimes cooling, but they have that slimy nature. We all know how I feel about that. I believe this action is called a carminative. Carminative herbs contain volatile oils, which help the body release gas. So it helps you fart and helps relieve cramping and bloating. Another herbal action you will want to look for is a stimulating laxative, obviously. So it will help you, do number 2, help you poop, get them bubbly guts going. I don't think I need to explain what a laxative is, but some herbs that you can look for: burdock and yellow dock, turkey rhubarb, and senna. I shouldn't pronounce words that I can't pronounce off the bat. Anyways, another herbal action is an osmotic laxative. I'm assuming the stimulating laxative helps you get it, like everything else, it helps rumble everything up. And the other one is a stool softener, so it makes your poop soft. The last two herbal actions you will want to look for are an anti-inflammatory and an astringent. If you are new, an anti-inflammatory help with many digestive issues and actually result in an overactive inflammatory response, such as IBS and gastric ulcers. Astringents, if you are new, astringents are helpful with digestion because of their ability to tone the tissue along the GI tract. So we'll help you poop. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing and I will see you when you return. So as mentioned, this month's theme is Divine Digestion, and it does look like the theme for next month is going to be Herbal Immunity. If you are new to my channel and you are wondering what Apothecary at Home is, it is just a monthly subscription box that supplies you with basically everything you need to start your home apothecary. Some herbs, some jars, some straining bags, all that good stuff. So the first thing out of the box is our loose leaf tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, and this month it is Happy Intestines, and it has organic peppermint, chamomile, marshmallow root, and calendula. Next up are our 2 4-ounce maceration jars, and we do get these in every box. Following that, we have our 2 amber glass dropper bottles for our creations for the month. Next up, we have 2 Muslim cloth straining bags for straining our macerations. These also come in every box. We also get 4 labels to name and date our creations. This month's surprise gift was a Digesties blend by 𝕍𝕬𝕬𝕚, and it's just a mix of essential oils. I believe you just smell it and it will help get your digestive system going. And then we also got that cute little butterfly. I don't know what it's for, but it's adorable. Next up, and one of my most favorite things from the box, are these hand-drawn sketches from the founder's mother, 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. The first sketch we have is of fennel and fennel seed. The next lovely sketch we have is of peppermint leaf. And the final sketch we have is of a dandelion. And I think these are just so lovely, I plan to use them on my monographs, so. Another thing I love about the company is they do provide us with seeds, so when we run out of the dry herb, we can plant our own. This month we got fennel and mint. As mentioned, we do get dry herb, and our first bag is 2 ounces of fennel seed. Medicinally, fennel seed is great to help ease digestive cramping, gas, and bloating. Magically, fennel seed can be used to ward off any negative or evil energies. Next up, we have 2 ounces of peppermint leaf. Medicinally, peppermint is ideal for use in upset stomach, hiccups, IBS, bad breath, gas, bloating, nausea, and digestive spasms. Magically, peppermint can be used to strengthen psychic abilities and verbal communications. Interestingly, it was also used during ancient Greek funeral rites to mask the smell of decaying bodies. For our final herb, we did get 1 ounce of dandelion root. Medicinally, dandelions can be used to treat stomach problems, appendicitis, and breast problems. Magically, dandelions can be used for calling spirits, divination, and aiding in wishes. And the final item we have from the box is just a health disclaimer. You will want to give it a good read. It is one of the items that come in every box, though. And that is all we have for this month's subscription box. If you were looking to get your own, I do have a discount link in the description below. You could go ahead and click that and get about 15% off the next box. Alright, welcome back. There you have it. All of the goodness. As always, like they have been doing the last few months, you can't see it because it's not auto focus because it's stupid. But QR codes for how to grow fennel seeds, how to grow peppermint seeds, spotlight on fennel with Joe Hollis, and Joe Hollis of Mountain Gardens Dyslexia working with me. Peppermint plant profile with Florida School of Holistic Living. How to harvest fresh dandelion roots and make herbal bitters, and all about bitters with Sophia the herbalist. So you get those little QR code videos and the checklists and all that good stuff. Let's get into the herb of the month. Apothecary at Home has unveiled an herb of the month club. This is, I believe, the 3rd month? Yes, it is the 3rd month. First month we had hibiscus. Second month we did get willow bark. We do get PDFs. The first month I just did not see that I got it. The second month it came late, but the 3rd month we got our little PDF. So, licorice root. Every herb of the month we just kind of focus on one herb or plant and one herb or plant only, and we get a whole bunch of stuff. including the root and seeds. So we get extra seeds. So instead of 1 or 2 from the subscription box, we get about 2 or 3, maybe, depending on how many we got in the first box. Anyways, for the guide, it will tell you what's in the guide about licorice root benefits, and a honey drop. Licorice and honey cough drops. Ooh. I did read that, but I didn't stick to it. I saw it in passing as I was doing the video. That will be good for the children. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into that unboxing, and I will see you all when you return. Alright, and now straight into the herb of the month. As you can see, we are working on licorice root. The PDF comes with an about licorice root benefits, and then the licorice and honey cough drops. So that's what we will be working on for this herb. If you are interested in signing up for this box, it is only $14 a month. I do not have a link that will link you directly to it, but I do have the subscription box link. It will take you to the site. From the site, you can find it there. So just like the subscription box, we do get hand-drawn sketches, and obviously this month we get a hand-drawn sketch of the licorice plant and licorice root. I do like that on the back of these ones we get another sketch that we can color in ourselves. We don't get that in the subscription box. Next up is a licorice herbal monograph. It gives us all the information we need, and then on the back it gives us another licorice cough syrup recipe. So we get 2 recipes in this box. Next up we get this licorice bingo card that kind of gives you ideas of what you can do with the licorice plant and everything we got in the box. And then on the back it explains how you would do licorice bingo. After the cards, we did get another pack of seeds. Obviously licorice root seeds. I like this company, how they're going about it. Really cool. After that, we did get a second pouch of herbal tea. This herbal tea is called Power Protein and is from the company Sacred Spaces. It has raspberry leaf, licorice root, and ginger root. Next up out of the box is just a purple glass dropper bottle. And lastly, we did get 2 ounces of licorice root. Medically, licorice root can aid in digestive problems, menopausal symptoms, cough, and bacterial and viral infections. Magically, licorice root can be used with love, lust, and fidelity spells. And that is all we have for this month's Herb of the Month box. Alright, welcome back. So there you have it. That is our subscription box for November, and our Herb of the Month for November as well. Let me know if you like them being in separate videos or if it's just easier for it to be in one video. I'm just testing it out. But anyways, I do have a lot of videos coming up, and my next video that I'm about to record and will probably post after this will explain it all. I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye!